I'm going to show you how to use AI features to generate a job description, to select a template from our library of technologies, and to generate questions in CocolevioHR. So let's start with generating a job description. In CocolevioHR, you can click Generate a Job Description. Here you put in a job title. Let's say we want a Rust engineer, level 1, and we want him to be, or her, be 1 to 2 years, say 3 years experience, and Rust cargo for the requirements. This is all you need in order to generate a job description within CocolevioHR. I'll say generate, and in just a few seconds, it will generate a nicely formatted job description. And as you will see here, our company information is all in here with our name, employment type, location. Then we have a little history about us or bio right down here. We have key responsibilities, what we offer. We also have preferred qualifications and requirements. Next, we have our template library of technologies. These are all resources that we've sourced and vectorized and are generating embeddings with. So we did mention that we wanted Rust, and that is highlighted here, up here. But if we wanted to, we could look for other technologies and add as well, as many as we want. And if we have any special skills, custom skills, skills are anything that technology-wise that you're looking for a candidate to have. And then we say save and next. Here you'll see where our library of Rust has been moved over to this screen. So now we have how many questions are we going to ask. We can say there's going to be 2 questions that are going to be generated, and we can give a time. How long do we want those questions? How much time do we want the candidate to answer each question? Let's just say 3 minutes per one question. And if you can see the right hand, it shows select a skill, which is 1, shows the total questions would be 2, just what we put here. The time will be 6 minutes because we says 3 minutes per question. If we wanted a a coding challenge, we could put that here as well. For right now, I'm just going to say no, and then I'll say save and next. And as you can see, slowly the AI is generating assessment questions. So what is risk ownership model? Can you explain the concept of lifetimes? And there's also a practice assessment question with this as well. And if you wanted to, you can regenerate a question if you don't like the one that was given, and you can move it around if you prefer this one to be first. And that's how you, and we'll say go to evaluation. And here we go. We just generated a job description. We just selected a template from our technologies library, and we just generated questions for an assessment. That's how easy it is to use Cocolevio HR.